Pangatlo mo, papel mo sa national team. Sama sa pentathlon. All of these people na makikita sa mga pictures, kini sila tanan puros mga Ormoghano. In the past 2 years, nakaproduce na upat ka-world champion and pentathlon is an Olympic event. Ang akong personal goal, karong umabot ng Southeast Asian Games sa Thailand, I handle 3 NSAs, pentathlon, Philippine fencing, and clay shooting. Ang akong goal is ang tulong ka sport, puros taga-Ormoc ang mag-represent and mga Ormocans mga gold medal sa coming Southeast Asian Games.
Usa ka rason nga number 1 ang usa ka atleta, main reason is a good coach. Number 1 ang usa ka syudad, unsay rason ang leader sa community. Kaya tindot kaya ha? And I'm proud to say Cebu also is like that. We're very, very proud of our city.
Sleep well. Kay sleep, Rabajukuno is a superpower. Masakti na ng uman mo maglaag-laag, but when it's your turn to compete, you have to be well rested. This is a war also that we are going into, no? A friendly war. So palihog, athletes, you are all elite athletes of the city. Pugin ninyo inyong pwersa, ilubong palihog ang kontra. Salamat, may hapon na kayo.